Functional communicative approach. Functions of sentences. Here are functions and sentence. A. Assertive or declarative. First, giving information or reporting. Sentence. The second Hooghly Bridge was inaugurated on October 10 in 1992. Second, narrating. Sentence. He said that Napoleon died at St. Helena. Third, describing. Sentence. There are rows of trees on both sides of the road. Fourth, defining. Sentence. Fables are short tales, usually with animal characters in them and always with a moral. Fifth, hesitating or giving opinion not confidently. Sentence. I don't know what exactly he or she is. Sixth, classifying. Sentence. Food substances may be classified into two broad groups, organic food and inorganic food. Seventh, illustrating or exemplifying. Sentence. Some of the best science fiction writers are H.G. Wells, Jules Verne, and Arthur C. Clarke. Eighth, stating cause. Sentence. His hard labor placed him in the high position. Ninth, describing a process. Sentence. The preparation of butter goes through a number of steps. 10th, denying a fact. Sentence. No, I'm all right. 11th, asserting a fact. Sentence. Yes, sir, I am a bookbinder. 12th, expressing obligation. Sentence. I must go home. 13th, supposing or guessing. Sentence. If he comes, he may receive a hearty welcome. 14th, comparing. Sentence. He is as cunning as a fox. The ruby is redder than a rose. 15th, contradicting. I don't worry, but I can't keep from thinking. 16th, apologizing or confessing. I beg your pardon, I have hurt your feelings. 17th, expressing ability. I can do the sum easily. 18th, expressing possibility. Sentence. He may come here today. 19th, giving permission. Sentence. You may sit in the parlor. 20th, appealing. I pray to your kind self for granting me 3 days sick leave. B. Interrogative. First, asking for information or asking reason, or interrogating, or inquiring. What is the distance of Delhi from Kolkata? Why did you not go to school yesterday? Who does not want to be free? Second, asserting a fact. That was really a bit of fun, wasn't it? Third, asking for an opinion. May I have your opinion on the book? Fourth, asking for permission. May I come in, sir? Fifth, requesting. Could you please tell me your name? Sixth, challenging. Who dares to defy me? Seventh, expressing a doubt. Who knows when the country will be free from corruption? Eighth, confirming a doubt. The science you have learnt is more or less the result of self-teaching, isn't it, Mr. Faraday? C. Imperative. First, ordering or commanding. Get out at once. Second, requesting. Please give me a glass of water. Third, advising. Don't give up hope, Mr. Faraday. Fourth, suggesting or proposing. Let's sit down here and talk the matter over. Fifth, instructing. To improve your English, read as much as you can. Sixth, warning. Be quiet or I'll punish you. Seventh, threatening. Get out or I'll break your nose. Eighth, permitting. Go wherever you like, but come back before evening. Ninth, prohibiting. Don't leave the place without permission. 10th, reminding. Kindly remember the date and time of our meeting. D. Optative. First, wishing or desiring. Wish you good luck. Second, praying. May God bless you. E. Exclamatory. First, expressing joy. Hurrah! Our club has won the trophy. Second, expressing sorrow. Alas, the man is dead. Third, expressing wonder. What a nice bird it is. Fourth, expressing pity. Poor fellow, how changed you are. Fifth, expressing disgust. How shabby the statue is. Sixth, encouraging. Bravo, you have saved a nice goal. Seventh, greeting. Hello, how nice to meet you after years. Eighth, farewell. Goodbye, good night. Hope we'll meet you again. 1. Giving information. Assertive. Be, have. First, we'll see be. I am, he is. We are, she is. You are, they are. I am a student. We are students. Have. I have. He has. We have. She has. You have. They have. You have 4 brothers. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.